What's up YouTube family, welcome back to another video. So today we're making this 3-ingredient banana and oats smoothie. This smoothie contains soluble and insoluble fiber, each of which helps you maintain proper bowel health and helps with weight loss. The soluble fiber also helps lower your cholesterol, so having this in the morning for breakfast is a healthy choice. Also, banana has zero fat and cholesterol, and it's sufficient to keep the stomach full for a while. So I actually had this morning and it kept me full for about 2 to 3 hours, and it was good because I really had a busy day. So this smoothie is good for one of those days when you're busy doing stuff and you can't really stop to get something to eat. So I add the bananas and half cup of oats and half cup of vanilla lasco with 2 cups of water and 2 spoons of sugar to the blender. I blend it for a minute because I want it to be as smooth as possible. If you don't have any vanilla lasco, you can use condensed milk and some vanilla extract. Now I'm pouring it out into my big jug, and I'm going to grate some nutmeg in it to add some extra flavor. And this is it guys, here you have your banana and oats smoothie recipe. This is good, as I said, help with weight loss, and it helps to keep you going for a good amount of time, maybe till in the afternoon when you can actually get a good lunch to eat. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next video guys. Bye.